What's up, Talleywackers? Back here at one of my favorite spots again, the old brick plant, just downriver, upriver from Euclid Street Bridge by the old Talleygo. I like this spot. We're gonna try something a little different. I brought some minnows left over from yesterday. Never fished here with minnows before. And of course, I'm gonna be doing some dipping with some weightless night crawlers. See if I can catch some smallmouth. We're just really looking to catch about anything today. I brought some cut bait. Maybe we'll catch a small one for some live bait. I've only brought one river pole, my crappy bank pole. Seems to be the luckiest pole ever. So we're gonna get that out there too and start fishing. Come along, see what we can get. That's the first thing I'm gonna try. A couple pieces of cut bait, little bluegills. Get that out there and let it sit. Probably change that up with some live bait if I catch any. But we'll see, or fresh cut, who knows. Get out there in the channel. Still fairly deep. It's nice. I don't know what's going on here. Whoops. That should work. It's gonna be difficult to fish with the bobber today. This wind coming right at me. Everything's moving upriver. But the waters are so low, there ain't much for current anyway. We'll see what the bobber does. Well, let's get to dipping a night crawler out here and see what happens. I don't know if we'll get much today, but we're gonna try anyway. Ain't got nothing better to do. So far it looks really slow. Looks like a lot of people come down here and fish. Kind of putting some pressure on this spot. Well, that sucks. Bobber's still there. My line's broke. I don't know what the heck happened there. Dang it, man. That's the second bite I had too. I don't think I'm gonna get that back. But that thing just drowned it. Just destroyed that minnow. I don't know, I just lifted my pole up. I didn't even feel any tension. It just, I don't know. I guess fluorocarbon might sink and it got wrapped around one of these sharp looking rock thingies. I don't know. Guess I'm just gonna have to pay more attention. I can't even tell if the line's still on that thing. I think the fish took it all. I don't know. We're gonna have to go re-rig. Well, I've had 3 bites off this minnow. Well, not the same minnow, but off minnow. Nothing yet. I don't know what they are. I'd like to find out. Never used minnows here, and it's the only thing getting any bites. It's been a struggle. Bobber went under. Came back up though. I don't think a minnow can do that. Swimming awful funny. What was that? Tiny fish at it. It's crazy. Get him over here so I don't lose him. Man, few and far between these smallmouth. They're so angry in here. Well, he swallowed it. I think I kind of let him swallow it though. I was tired of missing him. Just a little guy. see if we can save him. Might have saved him. Might have, I don't know. Let's get him back in the water and hopefully he lives. Man, fishing is really slow right now. See if I can catch a few more of those. I only got about an hour or so to fish. Oh, he's super small. Man, it's a largemouth. I think I saved him, I don't know. Little largemouth out of the Des Moines River. Drum guy decided he wanted to come play. Wow, he just destroyed that minnow. That was crazy. God dang, my fingers are not what they used to be. He's probably just passing through. Crazy. Drum will eat about freaking anything. I've caught drum off worms, jigs. Now minnows. Man, I did not even see him bite. Another little largemouth swallowed the freaking hook. God dang it. Man. Got it out. I think he's gonna survive. A little largemouth. He might be a spotted bass. I don't know. It's not much for markings on him. He's so young. A couple days old. I don't know. Nah, he's older than that. Wish you guys could have seen that one smallmouth I caught. He was the biggest one. Man, me being a dummy, shut the GoPro off when it was already going. One more fish, come on. Well, that was pretty uneventful. Didn't catch hardly anything. Just a bunch of small ones. Really slow. Probably sat out here for 3 hours and caught 4 fish. But that's it. Good thing I made it short and sweet for you, huh? Levi and Oliver, I love you guys very much. And thanks for watching Talleygo.